In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ring face circle border around profile picture using Canva. We'll build a clean, polished profile image with a circular ring around it. Perfect for social media, websites, or presentations. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Choose a square canvas so everything crops evenly. The Instagram post preset is a great shortcut because it's already 1080 by 1080 pixels. A standard size that looks sharp across platforms. With your blank canvas ready, head to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type Frames, then scroll until you find the simple circular frame. Click it to add it to your canvas. This frame creates the circle shape and handles the cropping for you, so you don't have to guess or manually cut your image. You can resize the circle by dragging the corners. But keeping it large will give your profile photo more presence. Next, go to the Uploads tab. Upload your profile picture if it's not already there. Once it appears in your uploads, drag the photo directly onto the circular frame. You'll see it snap into place automatically, if it doesn't fill the frame the way you want. Double-click the circle to open the crop view. Now you can drag the image to reposition it or use the corner handles to zoom in or out until your face or focal point is centered and well framed. With the image selected, look for the border style option near the color icon at the top. This is where you add the ring. Increase the border weight to create a visible outline. A medium thickness usually balances well without overwhelming your photo. Then choose a color that complements your image or matches your brand. A strong contrast, like a light border on a dark background, or vice versa, will make the profile pop. If you are unsure, start with white or black and adjust from there. Take a moment to refine the position by double-clicking the frame again if needed. Ensuring T here is even spacing between the subject and the border. When it looks right, it's time to save. Click Share in the top right. Then download. Choose PNG for a crisp, high-quality result that stays sharp on most platforms. Download the file and your ringed profile picture is ready to use anywhere you want a clean, professional look. That's all you need to create a stylish circular border around your profile picture in Canva. Thanks for watching.